Have you ever faced like you have given so many interviews? Okay. Have you ever faced because of your English you were rejected in some interviews? Have you ever faced this situation?
What? Tell me again.
Okay, I'm repeating my question. I'm saying like if you are going in an interview, like you have given so many interviews also, have you
Okay.
ever faced this kind of situation like you were rejected because of your English?
Yes, yes.
So tell
So
me
many.
that experience. Tell me that experience. Why they
Yes,
had rejected you?
Jeeva.
Okay. And we are meeting for the second time. So I want to know little bit more about you.
You wanted to know little bit. Okay, my name is Vinod. I am from
Mm-hmm.
Bhopal.
Mm-hmm.
Nowadays, I am working a job. I am
Okay. Now
looking
it's
for. I am
mm-hmm.
looking
You are
for
looking
a
for a good job.
good. Yes, yes. Like MNC company. Like so they can give me a good salary, good designation.
You are expecting a handsome salary and good designation. For this purpose, you are learning English.
Yes, yes, yes. So this is my main purpose.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, tell me something about office culture. Like you are preparing some kind of interviews, and you have already told me that you are preparing, and
Yes.
for this purpose, you are learning English. You want a fluency. So tell me what is the interview process? They are taking the interviews in Hindi language or in English language?
They are taking. They are take. They are taking English in English language, and
Hmm.
they want fluent English. If we know fluent English, and we can crack that interview easily. Otherwise, we cannot crack interview.
Okay.
Uh, because they has they has a international work, and
Mm-hmm.
taking they are taking international work. So if we know English very well, so we
Mm-hmm.
can handle another country, uh, another country workers we can handle.
Mm-hmm. You are saying that their network in is in some other countries also, so they
Yes,
needed some fluent person so that they can communicate their clients.
yes, yes. They can communicate another person, and they can talk in English language, and they can understand uh,
Mm-hmm.
what they are saying.
Mm-hmm.
So, so, so they want a fluent person. They want a good person, good communication skills. They want.
Okay, if you are fluent in English, I think the getting job chances is higher. Do
Okay.
you think like this?
Tell me again, please. Please tell me again.
I'm saying like if you are going for an interview, okay,
Okay.
an interviewer can observe like you are very good in English. Okay,
Okay.
so do you think you can get that job easily?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes. I
Hmm.
can get job easily if I have communication skills.
Mm-hmm. Have you ever faced like you have given so many interviews? Okay. Have you ever faced because of your English you were rejected in some interviews? Have you ever faced this situation?
What? Tell me again.
Okay, I'm repeating my question. I'm saying like if you are going in an interview, like you have given so many interviews also, have you
Okay.
ever faced this kind of situation like you were rejected because of your English?
Yes, yes.
So tell
So
me
many.
that experience. Tell me that experience. Why they
Okay.
had rejected you? because you
Yes,
have some other qualities, but you have no quality of speaking. Okay, that is the reason only for rejecting.
yes, yes, yes. So if I talk about my past interview, I
Mm-hmm.
was give, uh, I was give and interview asked me
Mm-hmm.
in English. Interviewer
Mm-hmm.
asked me in English. So
Mm-hmm.
what about you? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and they they asked me 10 questions. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and
Tell me that question. If you
mm,
have remembered that question, you can tell us.
I don't know that question, but some question I know.
Mm-hmm.
Some question I know. They was give me paragraph. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
paragraph. So that time I could not translate that paragraph. That
Mm-hmm.
paragraph. Okay, and they asked me, why do you
Mm-hmm.
join our company? Okay, and did you do rotational shift? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and they asked me, how many salary do you want? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and they asked me, yes, yes. So, and they they asked me only English, but at that time
Mm-hmm.
eh, I was I was not able to reply.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, mm, that's why he said me.
Mm-hmm.
He said me, please prepare your English. After that, you can come. After
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. They had suggested you first you should learn English. After that, you should apply for this job.
yes, yes, he said me,
Mm-hmm.
you need to improve your skills. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you need to improve your communication skills and
Mm-hmm.
English.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Me.
He was suggesting you should focus on your communication skills. After
Yes,
that, you should apply.
yes, yes,
Okay. That is the strong reason. That's why you are learning English and you are
yes,
taking everyday sessions.
yes, yes, yes. I am taking, and so
Mm-hmm.
I need a good job, and
Mm-hmm.
I want to go Germany for job. I am looking
Mm-hmm.
for a Germany. Uh, I am
Yes,
searching.
in Germany there are nowadays there are so many vacancies in Germany. But there is a problem because English is, we all know, it is a global language. But in Germany, they using their local language. You can say German language. So you
Okay,
should learn German also. If you are going Germany, I think you can face some problem
okay,
because they are giving priority their own language, not English.
okay,
Because my cousin brother is living in Germany, so I know you should learn German language also. That time it can be, you can say it is very useful. But yes, if you are learning English, it is also useful. But if you are making a plan that you want to go Germany just for working, then you should learn German language also.
okay. So, so we which country which country should I go for job?
Depends on your skills.
Okay,
I
if
can
I
say this thing only just Germany because they are giving more priority their own language, German
yes,
language.
yes. I
But
am
if we
asking,
talk about their facilities, Germany is a good country. I can say yes.
and I I am asking you. So uh, which which country should I go to? for job. So, do you have any knowledge for any country like Europe, Australia,
If you
America?
are making a plan that you want to go Europe, first of all, you should watch their, sometimes they are publishing their recruitment posts. Okay,
Okay.
you should watch. After that, if they had already written some qualifications, if you are eligible, you can apply online. After that, they will communicate you by email, by phone. And nowadays, most of the good companies taking their, you can say, interview on online mode, video session mode.
Yes,
So
yes.
there is no need to go their place. You can give your interview at your own home or own place. You can give your interview.
Okay.
Yes. And there are so many type of visas also. First, you should study about these things. After that, you should make a plan where should you go.
Yes, yes, yes. Definitely, I will go. Uh, right now, I am learning this language. So,
Hmm.
so what is your goal? Why
My goal.
are you improving your English?
I'm just improving my English because I'm very passionate for this language. That is the reason.
Okay, that's a
Hmm.
great.
Why you are
So,
making? Why you are so passionate about Germany? Because going to Germany is very easy, but survive in Germany it's not easy
okay,
because their language is a barrier.
okay,
If like you are going for some day, like 15 days, 30 days, 45 days, 30, but if you are planning that you should live there and you want work there, I think that time you should learn their language.
okay. But uh, language barrier is every state like MP, UP, Bihar.
No, in Germany, they are giving special, priority their own language. If you are going metro station, going the railway station, they are
Okay.
announcing in German language. If you
Everywhere,
don't know German language, that time it
everywhere
is very difficult.
everywhere
Yes,
is a language barrier, but uh, English language is, I think, a common language.
yes, it is. Just I am sharing my experience,
Yes,
which my brother had told me. So I am just telling you.
yes, yes. So, if we live in India,
Hmm.
so
If we are living in India, I think English is good. In some other countries is good. But if you are making a plan to go Germany, then you should learn German language.
okay, okay, okay.
Otherwise,
We'll try.
surviving in Germany, you can say quite difficult.
Okay. So,
Yes.
do you have any topic we can discuss?
I think already we have discussed like you are planning to go abroad. That's it. Okay. Now I'm telling you sorry. Now I'm asking you one question.
Okay.
uh, you are learning from your own experiences or experiences of others. Like sometimes we are doing some mistakes, okay, but sometimes our elders already had done these kind of mistakes and they are suggesting us, advising us, don't do this work because I had already faced this situation.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just asking, you are learning from this is very you can say most beneficial if we are learning our experiences or some others experiences. Like on the YouTube, there are so many YouTubers. They are telling their experiences. I have learned this method, so you should not apply this kind of technique. It is not good for you because every person has their own experiences.
Yes, you are saying right.
Yes.
I am learning English myself. Okay,
Mhm. Mhm.
I am not following any another person. Okay,
Mhm.
but sometime I watch video.
Mhm.
If this video is good, I will watch.
Mhm.
Otherwise, I will not watch that video. Mm,
Mhm. So my opinion is that if we are learning from our mistakes, then we are gaining first hand knowledge.
yes,
Okay, and it is, and we can get deeper knowledge. And if we are learning some other person's mistake, yes, we never repeat same mistakes again in our life. So both are useful.
yes, yes. Both are useful. So
Yes.
if we watch any video and we listen that voice, okay, but sometime 1 or 2 days and 1 or 2 days, and definitely we will say that word.
Yes.
First of all, we listen.
Yes.
If we wanted to improve this language, we have to listen more and more.
Yes. Because we are listening Hindi and some other local languages again and again. So it will stuck in our mind. We always remember those words. Similarly, if we are, every day listening English words, automatically you can get your vocabulary and sentence structure also.
Yes, yes, we can get our vocabulary, sentence,
Yes.
how to sentence. Yes, yes, you
And
are
I
saying.
think you had already observed in your first session, you have taken with someone, and now you are taking your sessions back to back. I think there is a major difference.
Yes,
So I can say if you are repeating same thing, like if you are repeating some vocabulary, you are listening again and again. After that,
yes,
you can make your environment also, and you can get motivate also for everyday learning.
yes,
But you are, sometimes our nature is procrastinate. I think it's not good. We should do regular practice, speaking practice.
yes,
And after seeing some co-learners, you can say, you- I always motivated.
okay,
Yes. I think today's session is very fruitful and we should wrap up this session.
okay, okay.
Okay.
Wrap up the session and
Okay.
nice to meet you. You give me this opportunity. Nice to talk.
Same here.